Hi guys, we're gonna be making a new yeeps hide and seek video, which is about the new update, and the update's called the wiring update. I'm just gonna be showing you around the new place called the research facility. Yeah, let's go. So this is the new pack. It's pretty cool. I like the outfit. The item isn't bad. It's pretty cool. You can just so if someone's like these new radiation bombs, I'll show you because I own them. So if you have one of these and see how I'm green, so you see how I'm green, this makes you more fast. But if they use that item right here on you, the arrow goes all the way down and it starts shaking your controller to show that you have radiation on it. Oh yeah, they also had like doors to the game, bro. So cool. Yeah. And now there's some more places I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, this is where you can get the red key. I don't know, but I feel like you can get it in other places too. I don't know if this is the only place you can get the red key. Oh yeah, I know other places. See, look. So, oh yeah, you can also get it from that room over there. There's a room over there. Okay, so this is just another room up there, which I'm gonna show you guys this. Just get up there. So, we also have this room, which, oh, I guess that's another way to get a red key. I didn't know that. Then I guess this is how you get up. And then this, I've been through here before, so this here, put the red key right here, and you go underground. So this like underground area has some hazmat guys and stuff. And then then there's some like buttons to like control stuff. Oh yeah, this is also where you get white key. And I can just drop it. Since I'm right here, I can just drop a white key. And most people just use it for the door to get out. Because you can get stuck there, so then you have to complete it. Or you can have someone get the white key for you. And then you need purple key right here. There's a buckling staff in here. What the? Okay. I don't know what happened, bro. I think my VR headset. So it literally felt water. I remember in creative I copied this into wilds and I broke the ground. And I saw water down there too. So I lagged whatever on my VR. And then I splashed into the water. Cause there's water down here. Like not this water. I know this is water, but like there's also water like down there. Whoa! Oh. Nope. What the what the? Nah. I don't know what's happening. Bro. I just got exploded. I'm by myself, bro. Come on. It was actually scary, bro. I'm by myself. And it was a random explosion that lit. And my friend says that the music's creepy, and I don't know where the music radio is. I'll run to find it. Oh yeah, I'm going up. Yep. Nope. Nope. Okay. Yep. I'm just going back over here. Yep. I feel like it would be over here. No. Don't really. I forgot what this is. That opens something. Wait. Wait. Okay. I want to find those radios. There's another person, but that's just my mobile app. Okay. But the radio's down there. I'm just not even gonna. Up here. If it's creepy, I'm gonna do it anyways. Whoa, I thought that was a person. It's just my camera, bro. Like, you heard that random explosion? It wasn't this, cause it would have probably got me radiated if it was like, but I got knocked back. I think, so what could have that been? I don't know. I just want to find these radios, bro. Right now. Well, that's some of the stuff. I'm going to show you guys some more stuff. Oh, yeah, I'll show you this. They also have, like, okay, let's just keep on. Bro. So if you're wondering why I might have stopped again. Oh, I'm not even going to say because it's going to be even. I mean, I'm going to say it. So, Alexa literally said she cannot reach her connection randomly. Yeah, she said it again because I told her, bro. The last time, bro, that was creepy. But yeah, there's like a TV right there. That's pretty cool. I really want to find that radio. I don't know if I should be in here by myself. It's actually scary. Let me get a buggy. Actually, no, I don't want it. Because this is just going to creep me out even more. See, like this? Just look at it. Oh, you might not be able to see, but it's right here. See, look. Boys. Bro, well, the radio should be pretty easy to find. They're usually easy to find. Where are they, bro? I just stopped because I won. Because I just won. Ah. Guys. Okay. Bro, my internet connection got lost. Sorry about that, my internet. Please. Bye, guys. Actually, no, I don't want to leave yet. That sound was just me pressing that button. Okay, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.